How to create AI avatar videos in Google Vids. Not long ago, making videos meant you needed a camera, lighting, a decent microphone, editing software, and a bit of courage to hear your own voice played back. Now, things have kind of changed, and they've changed fast. You can create fully edited videos without ever showing your face, and in some cases, without even recording your voice. Now, that shift is being driven by AI powered tools, and one of the most interesting ones among them is Google Vids. It's part of a new way of tools that lets you turn scripts into structured, polished videos using AI avatars, narration, and automated editing. And honestly, this is a big deal for content creators, educators, freelancers, marketers, and anyone trying to produce videos faster without traditional production setups. So in this full beginner guide, I'm going to show you how to create an avatar video using Google Vids step by step, how the workflow actually works, how to structure scripts properly, and how to make your videos look professional instead of robotic or generic. Now, before jumping into creation, you need to understand what you're working with. Google Vids is designed to simplify video production by combining script-based video generation, AI narration, visual templates, scene structuring, and media integration. Instead of manually editing everything on a timeline like traditional works, basically you build a video using structured sections. Think of it like this. You provide the AI helps generate the presentation, and you refine the final output. It sits somewhere between a presentation tool and a video editor. But optimized for AI assistant creation, now the key features people are excited about is AI avatar style presentation. Now that means instead of you appearing on camera, a digital presenter of structured visual narration delivers the content. Now, this is especially useful for educational videos, tutorials, marketing explainers, product demos, and faceless YouTube channels. So to begin, you're going to come over to Google Vids, and here it's going to give you the option to sign into Vids. So we're simply going to do that. All you're going to need to do is sign in with your Gmail account. All right. So here's my Gmail account. I'm going to go ahead and sign into it. Now, once you sign into that, what's going to happen is it's going to go ahead and load you through to your Google Vids. All right. Now, once you're here it says, hello, let's start creating. So to start things off, let's say we're over here, right? Now, you'll be asked what types of videos you want to make because this is important. The structure changes based on your goals. All right. So here's our basic goal. You may see categories like training videos, marketing videos, or anything else like that, which is basically going to allow you to go ahead and choose your formatting. It's going to allow you to choose what you want. For beginners, starting with a template is usually the easiest way to understand how everything works. Now, here's where most people are going to get stuck. They jump into video creation without an actual clear script. As you can see, we have a lot of options here to work with, like, using different options and using different types of things that you want to create for yourself, but it depends on you. Each section is going to become a scene. So for example, let's say I'm going to start with a template that they've already given me. Let's go with a day in the life video. So we're going to go ahead and insert the template. Now, if you already have a script, you can paste it directly over here. But if you don't, you can generate one using AI tools like ChatGPT and then refine it. Now, right now, this is how our timeline looks. These are all the sections of the videos. The key rule is clear ideas to produce clear videos. If your script is confusing, the video will be confusing too. No AI can fully fix a messy concept. Now let's actually go ahead and talk about avatars. So inside of Google Vids, you can choose AI-generated presenters or structured visual narrators depending on available features in your region. So first of all, you can add your voiceover script. So let's say I'm going to go write all scenes, or let's go with this scene right now. In this video, I'll be telling you all about my life. Okay, we're simply going to add that, and you can choose the voice that you want to go ahead with. It depends on you. So let's say I'm going to go with this voice and click on insert voiceover. That's going to create a voiceover for this specific section and add it right there. Okay, so once the voiceover is in, let's hear it out. We're going to simply wait for it to...
In this video, I'll be telling you all about my life.
So you can see that now you have a proper voiceover with the video going on. Do make sure the script is fun. Do make sure it's not boring. Then moving on, what you can do is you can actually add avatars through VO. Now you do need to upgrade to use actual avatars, but you can add different, 8-second clips and different scenarios for the videos by using VO3 right here. So for example, you can add in something like scene 1 introduces the topic, scene 2 explains the problem, scene 3 gives the solution, etc. Now, this keeps the viewers engaged because their brain processes information in smaller chunks. And honestly, retention improves massively when videos are structured properly. Now, modern AI tools like Google Vids are built around this modular thinking. So, for visual pleasing, a good AI video is not just about text on screen. You need supporting visuals. Inside Google Vids, you can usually add stock footage, icons, illustrations, background clips, and animated elements. Now, audio, video, elements, all of these things are really necessary. But of course, you can go ahead and create your very own prompts for images as well. Then there's also captioning to make your video look more professional. They have a lot of great styled captions that, of course, do follow the, general style of the video. So you can go ahead with any of these. Now, let's say I'm going to go ahead with let's go with let's go with this one. Okay. So here I added this. Now you do need to make sure that it's a singular font. We don't want multiple fonts coming in. And now as you can see, if I play it, it's going to go ahead and follow. Let me go ahead and show you what do I mean by follow. If I come here, play it.
In this video, I'll be telling you all about my life.
So as you can see, the text actually follows as well. So Google Vids pretty much gives you everything to work with. You can go ahead and get the greatest AI workings, extremely useful ones. YouTubers creating faceless channels, teachers making additional content, businesses making explainer videos, freelancers offering video services, and creators scaling content production. So if your goal is speed, scalability, and consistency, tools like Google Vids can significantly reduce your production time. Now, AI video tools are not magic buttons that create viral content automatically. They are workflow accelerators. They remove technical friction so you can focus more on ideas, structure, and storytelling. And honestly, that is the real shift happening in content creation right now. The creators who win are not just ones using AI tools, they are ones who understand how to guide them properly. So if you combine clear thinking with tools like Google Vids, you don't just create videos faster, you create a system that scales content in a completely different way than traditional editing ever allowed. So that is pretty much about it for this video. Thank you for watching all the way till the end, and I'm going to be seeing all of you in the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.